Are you tired of traditional vacuum cleaners that lack innovation and convenience? Say hello to the BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a revolutionary cleaning tool designed to elevate your cleaning experience to the next level. With its advanced features, powerful suction, and ergonomic design, this vacuum cleaner is here to transform the way you clean your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Innovative OLED colorful animated screen. The BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner takes cleaning to a whole new level with its innovative OLED colorful animated screen. This advanced display technology provides real-time feedback on the vacuum cleaner's working status, allowing you to monitor its performance with ease. With 8 realistic animation modes, you'll have a clear understanding of how the vacuum cleaner operates, making cleaning more intuitive and efficient. Plus, with animated solutions for common errors, troubleshooting has never been easier, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience every time. Multi-cone filtration for enhanced performance. Say goodbye to clogged filters and hello to efficient cleaning with the BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner's multi-cone filtration system. This innovative feature reduces clogging in the filtration system, allowing for smoother airflow and more effective filtration. Additionally, the vacuum cleaner is equipped with a scented sheet filter layer, providing a pleasant fragrance while cleaning, so your home not only looks clean but smells fresh too. Powerful suction for thorough cleaning. Equipped with an upgraded 450W brushless motor, the BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers a powerful suction of up to 38 kPa, ensuring thorough cleaning on carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. With 3 adjustable gears, you can customize the suction power to suit different cleaning tasks, from quick touch-ups to deep cleaning sessions. Plus, with up to 55 minutes of runtime in eco mode, you can clean your entire home without interruption. Versatile design for easy cleaning. Designed for versatility, the BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features an edge-clean design that eliminates dirt and dust along walls and corners, leaving no dead corners untouched. The upgraded V-shaped brush roller with an anti-tangle design ensures efficient operation without the hassle of hair entanglement. Plus, with its ergonomic dual-handle design and LED lights on the brush head, cleaning has never been more comfortable and convenient. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and experience the future of cleaning technology. With its innovative features, powerful suction, and versatile design, this vacuum cleaner is a must-have for every modern home. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods and hello to a cleaner, fresher home with the BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.